signing of Republic Act number 12314, or the General Appropriations Act of fiscal year 2026, we are committing to implement a budget that serves the people, totaling 6.793 trillion pesos. The national budget is aligned with our medium and long-term development plans and vision, reflecting our investment in the Filipino. And yet, the passage of the national budget is only the beginning, because today we commence with the most difficult task, to ensure the proper execution and instituting true accountability. The 2026 national budget shall sustain our momentum in education reform, in health protection, in food security, in social security, and in job creation. We will prioritize social services that enhance the quality of life of every Filipino, safeguard the welfare of all sectors, and foster human capital development. I stand firm in my constitutional duty to ensure the faithful execution of laws. Sa national budget ng 2026, malinaw ang direksyon ng inyong pamahalaan. Magiging mas masinop, mas maingat, mas responsable kami sa paggastos ng pondo ng bayan. Magtatrabaho ang administrasyong ito upang mapabuti ang sistema, mapalakas ang pananagutan at matuldukan ang katiwalian. Sa lahat ng adhikaing ito, dalangin ko na maging katuwang namin ang bawat mamamayang Pilipino